She said, if a man asks my body count,
Mm.
yeah, this gonna be a nice little topic right here, boy.
On this one. You
Asks me
hit
my
with a
body
crack.
count, I never speak to him again. If you're a person whose brain just went, oh, that's because she has a high body count, I want you to listen to this. When a man asks me my body count, it is for one purpose. I want to make a judgment about your character based on your body count. They will try to say things like, oh, well, I'll tell you my body count too, or I just want to get to know you better, and like, I promise I won't judge. I really have an open mind. It doesn't matter to me. So, first of all, it's not the same thing for a man to tell you his body count and for you to tell yours to him. Because we all know that men's body count will never affect the way that people view him or his like worth in society or to himself. Secondly, when he assures you that he doesn't care and it really doesn't matter to him, I can promise you he's lying from the fact alone that he asked you the question. A man who doesn't care about your body count won't ask you about it because it truly doesn't matter to him. And lastly, if he's telling you that this is a way for him to get to know you better, that's because he thinks that your body count says something about you as a person. If a man cares about your body count, if a man asks you what your body count is, this is a number one red flag that this is a deeply insecure man, and you need to run. You need to head for the hills as fast as you can. You're one of the people I was talking about in the beginning who thinks that because I refuse to talk about my body count, that means that I must have a really high body count. You are the deeply insecure person that I'm referring to. You assume that I don't want to talk about it because I have a high body count, and you are saying that that's a shameful thing, and that's why I don't want to talk about it. Someone's body count is not a shameful thing. It's literally their private health information. If a woman would like to share that information with anybody, whether it be like a partner or their mother or their friend or whoever, then they will share that information when they feel comfortable. You don't need to ask them. Pretty much any woman can tell you that this is a loaded question from the start. If a man asks you your body count and you tell him, one of two things will happen. The number that you tell him either will or won't fit into his societal expectation of what is the correct number or what's an appropriate number. If your number is higher than what he had in his head, he will then start to resent you and judge you and think differently of you and lower of you. But on the other side, if your number is at or lower what he deems societally okay for a lady, he will say that you're lying. Because let me say it again. If he's asking you about your body count, it's because he's a deeply insecure man.
Wow, that's so interesting because she started off by basically asking for people not to automatically put her in a box for asking a specific question or for, I guess, saying that, if a guy asks you this. And then she went on to do the exact same thing to those very men that, she was talking about. But I got two questions. One question I'm gonna ask to T, because she did say, asking a woman what's her body count is a loaded question. That's just a simple question that I have for you. Is that a loaded question?
Um, well,
Who does this?
I'm guessing in the way that she was saying to see, well, for them to judge whether or not the number is high or low, pretty much. Yeah, I mean, if you say that's a loaded question, that's yeah, in that way. I don't know.
Oh shit! All right, so
I'm
the next.
just saying,
Oh, go ahead.
because I almost feel like a guy asking that question already has already has his judgment or his perspective
Yep.
of the woman.
Off
So,
top.
so here's the thing. Before y'all give y'all spill on it, here's the thing, right? Then you know what type of person you're dealing with.
That's right.
Just get
You
away.
already know.
All right. So
Yeah.
instead of hiding that or whatever, I think it's good. You put stuff out here so those men, you either know what you're dealing with, and those men know what type of person that they're dealing with, and then I think you got a better chance of catching or getting the right person. But I think that these type of conversations should be had, right? And if somebody asks you a question that rubs you the wrong way, then you can then make a decision on whether you want to stay or whether you want to leave. And instead of putting certain people in boxes. That's what I don't like. You know what I mean? Like I mean, according to what she just said, don't automatically assume that I'm a 304 because I'm saying this. All right, y'all
Well,
go ahead and give y'all spiel on.
T, you got something else. Go ahead, T, because well, you know I got something to say.
But yeah, and I want to say she kind of still dug her own hole
Hmm.
um
Yeah.
in in her explanation, because you're you're saying all of these things that the man is going to do, but why not? Like, why they can't have their preference on if the number makes a difference to if they want to continue being with this woman or not. Like, why it seems like have a guy having a preference is so bad. And I honestly feel like a woman whew,
Jesus Christ.
like, I
This,
just feels like I must just say women like her that try to negate the body count situation already know how
mm.
to put this.
They number probably high as hell. That's that is, man. Like, that number probably high as a
Yeah,
damn
like
kite, boy.
you
Smoking the
already know
bear.
that your number is high and is frowned upon in society. And not even just that base level, like you giving your body multiple times over time is deteriorating you. It's chipping at you.
Mm, mm. Crazy.
Like you're not even a whole person anymore. Dang,
Ooh,
that's kind of tough to say. I didn't mean it like that.
Speak, speak.
hey,
Let her speak.
there's some takeaway. You right.
Oh,
This is a safe space. Don't
um,
worry. It's a safe space. It's a safe space.
I mean, but yeah, because you and it seems like if the number is so high, you're not even trying to regain yourself back. You keep moving on,
Right.
and it's
You
gonna
can't.
yeah, like you're not even taking time to rebuild yourself.
Ooh,
Or you move forward, you're still not domino. What's another one that just like a collapsing building?
mm, damn.
I love it. Unleash her. That's what I'm talking about. Unleash. Unleash that government. Wait. Pull my sword and
Uh,
my shield out. We got you, dog. We got you.
look, that's the building.
So I don't I just think, and almost in a way to defend, it's like rejecting the guys that ask those questions is like them trying to protect that little piece that's still hidden behind the collapsed building. Like she's
Mm,
still trying to keep whatever that
mm.
is, even if it's you know.
A big hole.
Right.
No, I'm about to say something else like a pile of dog poop in the corner, but
Mm, mm, mm. I hear that. I don't get it. I
so
don't get.
I go ahead.
It's tough to get
No,
in
no,
there,
you go ahead.
boy.
Finish that thought. You know what? Go ahead. Finish that thought. Where you wrong? What you wrong?
Oh, so like it's I don't know. I'm kind of like women like this, go ahead, continue to put that out there. That way you're moving yourself out of the way for women that are whole, that are, let me see, what's a nice building? The cathedral building. I don't
Yeah,
know.
yeah.
Too
No,
many of them, but
mhm.
like move out the way so that other women like that could step forward and put themselves in position to be sought
Nice.
after by a well respectable man out there.
Facts, facts,
I like
facts.
all that. Bruh, I just don't get it at all. I don't get it at all. This speaks more to who she is than who the person is.
Facts.
Because if a person feels that they can come at you and ask you that question right there, then they saw something that justified them coming to you like that. That means something that you gave off, some energy you gave off, some vibe you gave off, something made him say, you know what, it ain't even going to be, you know, I don't even find this not appropriate to ask you this question. They found it appropriate to ask you that question. So that means you, something about you brought on a person to have the audacity to ask you that. Okay. so so that's why I'm saying this says more about her than about even the guy. The guy probably is on some, no, that's how I saw you. That's how I feel you. That's how it is. So I can come at you like this. I would say it's not a one size fits all when it comes down to hollering at some ladies, some young ladies. It's not a one size fits all. You, a guy, we are natural born conquerors. Okay. That's what we do. We're here to conquer. All right. That's what it is. Whether it's conquering the lifestyle, whatever that's their job, the lady, whatever, all the things we obtain, we are natural born conquerors. That's what we do. Okay, so if a guy analyze what it is that's in front of him, now I got old girl right here, I got another one right there, and then around the corner I see old girl right there. It may be three different ways that I approach all three of them. One, she presents herself as a lady, so I need to approach her as a lady. I can't come to her with this type of foolishness. She shut that down. First of all, you don't even get that off because ain't nothing about her vibe telling you can come at me like that. Okay, so you don't even think about coming in. That don't even cross your mind because this is a lady that's in front of you. Okay, so if I see this other girl like this young lady right here, and I see she wide open, she green, man, I'm cutting to the chase. That's the only reason why I would ask you that about your body count because I'm trying to be a part of it right now,
It
right
is.
away. I'm cutting through the chase. I ain't going through all the courting and all the chasing. I'm coming right to the what's up. Let me see what's happening with the body count. I tell you mine, this and that. If you fall for that, then it's already on. You already gave it up. It's already on. Now, for me to think that I can even come to you like that already told me who you are. This ain't a miscalculation of the guy coming at her. That's who you are. That's who it is. That's how I come because that's what you present. Okay, so like I said, it tells more about her than about him. He followed suit. He did what he was supposed to. He came at her the right way to the point where she go to a video and start talking about the body count and basically like, this guy asked me this, ladies, if y'all have somebody ask you, first of all, that shouldn't even be a video. That should have been like, who you think you talking to coming with me like some body count stuff? Do I look like we talking about that right here? But no, she wasn't going to give that vibe. That's why he came at her because there was no repercussions from it. So yeah, man, y'all got boy, yeah, ladies, boy, I wish I could really, really holler at y'all because you all have everything that we ever want. Meaning everything that we ever do is for you. When we go to conquer, it's for you. It's not for us. We're simple. We can live off of anything.
For the Air Max.
We live right. We live certain lifestyle because we know that it will attract certain people. Okay, so everything that we do is all with you in mind. And if y'all stop settling for any old body, then you will get your Boaz in. He will come to you because he will respect you and be understanding that, damn, she different, she tough. Oh man, I like that. After I get done having fun over here, I got to get back with old girl because she's solid. But all this old wide open stuff where I can come ask you how many cats went, and then a real dude don't even want to know. You think I want to know? Are you crazy? 40 years, and you think I want to know who my baby been with even back then? I don't care. I don't want to know. And I know she don't want to know. Even if she has an idea, there ain't no way in the world it's going to make our relationship better telling her. Are you crazy? She already got an idea. Well, I'm going to confirm it? Are you crazy? No, some things are left unsaid. Period.
Blueberry, Burberry, button-up. Tan skin, mixed race, buttercup. Canada weather, got a bundle up. I'm tryna work, she hit my phone, she wanna. Whoa.